Hello, here is a question for Primary 6. The figure below shows tap A, tap B and an empty tank with a capacity of 48.4 litres. Water flows from tap A at 3.2 litres per minute and from tap B at 2.8 litres per minute. Tap A was turned on first. Tap B was turned on 2 minutes later. The taps were turned off at the same time when the tank was completely filled without overflowing. How much water flowed from tap B? To help us solve the problem, it would be good to underline or highlight all the important facts given in the question. So we have tank capacity of 48.4 litres. Tap A flowing at 3.2 litres per minute. Tap B at 2.8 litres per minute. Tap A was turned on first. And tap B turned on 2 minutes later. Based on the information that tap B was turned on 2 minutes after tap A, we can find the amount of water that has flowed from tap A in 2 minutes. So we have tap A, and in 2 minutes, the amount of water that has flowed is 2 times 3.2 litres, and we get 6.4 litres. This means before tap B was turned on, the amount of water that has flowed from tap A was 6.4 litres. We can draw in the diagram so that it's clearer. So this is the amount of 6.4 litres. If 6.4 litres of water has filled the tank, that means this is the remaining volume that has to be filled in. What is this amount? We know that the full capacity of the tank is 48.4 litres, so the remaining volume would be 48.4 litres minus 6.4 litres, and this would give us 42 litres. So this is therefore 42 litres. After 2 minutes, both taps would be turned on, so we can find the total amount of water that would flow from both taps in 1 minute. So we have tap A plus tap B, and in 1 minute, the amount of water that flowed out is 3.2 plus 2.8, and this would give us 6 litres. This is A, and this is the amount of water that flowed from B. This means in 1 minute, 6 litres of water will flow from taps A and B. Looking back at the tank, we have found earlier that we need 42 liters more to fill the tanks. So if 6 liters flowed from both tanks in 1 minute, 42 liters would float in 7 minutes. With the information, we can therefore find the amount of water that flowed from tap B when the tank is completely filled. So we have tap B and in 7 minutes the amount of water that flowed out would be 7 times 2.8 liters, and this would give us this would be a working area. Nineteen point six liters. Going back to the question, how much water flowed from tap B? So, it would be 19.6 liters flowed from tap B. Thank you.